unboxing video. Then this is our thing that we jacket. And second is to Carmela. My mommy will open it up. I'm so excited. It's so I want to see how it looks and it's gonna be so cute. I'm talking to the toy. Ang galing. There, that's our big guy thing. What is this?
Open it up.
Alright. I'm a professional. What is this? Is this a jacket or something? Wow!
Open it up. Widely open.
Well, I can't pull it out. Look at it. We just got a package from my mommy. So, next package.
This one.
What's this? Another same thing. That's
You
not
have to open it, right? If you're doing
this.
likod.
You have to show the design in the picture.
Another one.
This one is my favorite. Black.
Is there a logo in front and the back?
Yeah. And this is my favorite.
What is
That's
the logo on the back?
almost the end of the unboxing video. My mommy will just fold it for a minute. This design, I like the front part because it looks so cute. Here you go, mommy. Bye. This is our XL1 unboxing video.